Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. And if you're already a part of my family, I'm ever so grateful to you. So today is episode 6 of my top 3s. So today we are going to talk about blushes. Okay, so let's just jump into the video. When it comes to blushes, my most favorite blush of all time is this K-Play Raspberry Blush by My Glam. This is the blush over here, and this is in the shade Frozen Raspberry. Oh my god, guys, this blush is everything. I'm not kidding you, okay? Like, I know it is in the mid pricing range, and you know it might be little expensive, not too expensive, little expensive, but first and foremost, the packaging. This is a rubber packaging, like solid rubber packaging, so even if it falls down, your product is not going to crack. So that's what I love about My Glam products, is intact packaging. Okay, the hand size one, small one, so it's travel friendly, and it comes with a mirror, guys. Like, what else would you ever want? It is such a beautiful color. It looks pink on the pan, but it's the perfect mix of coral, pink and peach. I don't know how, but it is so stunning, and stunning is an understatement when I say it's stunning. Like, that is a blush I'm applying right now, and I am obsessed. Okay, like so guys, that is a blush. It's so beautiful, it's so pigmented, so damn gorgeous. I don't understand like what did they do to make this blush. Okay, it is amazing. It is heavily pigmented, so you know, go slow with it instead of like looking like a clown. Go slow with it, and you know what, you can use this blush even on bare skin. Like, just apply your moisturizer and apply this. You look flushed, you look good, you look gorgeous. Okay, this blush will particularly suit people from medium to deeper skin tones. For the lighter skin tones, I think they have strawberry and some other orange, but this is for medium to deeper skin tones. If you're my skin tone, don't even hesitate. This is, I think, one of the best blushes, and it is matte. Guys, I love a good matte blush. Okay, if you're going to go and purchase this, My Glam has a lot of offers. Like, I think if you're going to purchase something for the first time, 300 rupees is off. Plus, you get a free lipstick, K-Play flavored lipstick. You get it free. So the next one is this Maybelline Fit Me blush. Was it a surprise to you? Not at all. Right? This is in the shade 50 Wine. Look how cute and stunning the packaging is. It is such a small, tiny little box. Like, look at that. It's not even my palm sized, guys. What the hell? It is so small, and 4.5 grams of product for 440 bucks, which is on the very, I feel, for the quantity you're paying, a little heavy, because 4.4 grams of product for so much of money, I think it is worth it. If you're finding a travel friendly, this is very good for you, but it's a bit expensive for the quantity, I feel. But what a phenomenal blush this is. It'll happily suit any skin tone. Very funny. You know, it has a slight sheen, but that sheen is like equivalent to having no sheen at all, because I don't know, it's just beautiful. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, so I'm just going to swatch it for you. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Wine. If you want to look like, you know, you are just gotten up and you're looking rosy, and you know, you have a romantic evening, you just apply this, you look gorgeous. And this is a very travel friendly option, as I told you, and it comes in India. It has 2-3 colors, but in abroad they have more than 12 shades, which is funny because those shades are even more pretty. So many offers on Maybelline most of the times, so you can grab yours also. This will suit every skin tone, I feel. It is stunning. It has a very, you know, glow from within kind of sheen. It acts like a highlighter. It doesn't have like chunky glitter particles. Very softly melted powder. I can just say that. Okay, it's beautiful. It's stunning. You know, you just need this in your life. This will not fail you. Trust me. So guys, my third blush is from Colorbar. This is the Colorbar's Cheek Illusion blush, and this is called Everything's Rosy. So this is the blush over here. This is again a very travel friendly blush, and the matte illusion blushes are flippin' amazing, but I haven't still got my hands on it because I still have yet to buy it. The Fallen Leaves has my heart. It is always out of stock, but this is also really amazing. You know what, I never actually, to be frank, liked it, but I started using it on bare skin. Like, if I'm going out anywhere and in a quick hurry I need to wear something, like, this really comes in handy. It has a lot of glitter particles, but for like just applying it on bare skin, it is really beautiful. I think this again will complement all skin types. I'm just going to swatch it for you. Yeah, that is like just one swipe of it, and what a beautiful pink that is. Yeah, it gives you that sheen. Can you just see that sheen? Yeah, that is the sheen I'm talking about, and it is a very good blush to go on bare skin. You see a little bit of glitter particle. It when you apply it on your face, it looks again like you have a very healthy glow going on, just like the one I told you about Maybelline. But Maybelline is literally like a satin finish. You can say that blush has. This has a glitter finish, little bit of glitter, but it gives you very healthy glow from within when you're applying it. Tone can use it light to medium. This is a heavily pigmented blush, so go slow with it. Just go and do like this and this, it will become like a clown again. The packaging is kind of flimsy, it's very plasticky, and if you drop it, it's going to break for sure, because I can just tell you it's plastic. Okay, now it's got so many scratches because of the amount of times I've used it. This is your palm size blush, so it's a very travel friendly option to put it in your bag and just go out the door, and you will not regret having this with you. It's become recently one of my holy grail products, because I started applying blush on bare skin and it is amazing. Okay, like it looks beautiful, it just looks amazing. For 4 grams of product, that much of price range is a little steep, but it's really worth it because it's heavily pigmented. Little bit goes a long way, and this will not get over very soon for you. Little bit of product, as I said, goes a long way, so you will be saving so much of product. So you people can go for this. It will not let you down. It has a lot of shade range. People can select what shade you want. So it also has come with a matte illusion blushes. This is the cheek illusion, that is a matte illusion one. That is completely matte. You can check that out also. And Fallen Leaves has my heart. I'm planning to purchase that next. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I upload. I will see you all in my next episode. I love you all. Bye.